Ants nesting in electrical outlets can be a real headache, and you've got to handle it carefully to avoid any danger or damage. So, if you spot ants crawling into your outlets, first, don't just start poking around or trying to spray stuff inside there because, honestly, that can be super risky. Instead, try to keep the area dry since ants love moisture, so fixing any leaks nearby is a good move. You can also sprinkle some natural deterrents like cinnamon or diatomaceous earth around the outlet base to help keep them away without messing with the wiring. Next, make sure to seal any cracks or gaps around the outlet cover with caulk so ants have fewer entry points. If you're comfortable, gently remove the outlet cover and vacuum out any visible ants or debris, but only if you know what you're doing, safety first. Using bait stations near the affected area can lure ants away from your home instead of just scattering them around. And remember, always switch off the power at the breaker box before touching outlets to avoid shocks. Lastly, if the infestation looks bad or keeps coming back, it's really best to call in a professional pest control service that knows how to handle ants safely around electrical components. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants in electrical outlets is trying to spray insecticides directly inside the outlet, which is super dangerous and can cause fires or damage. The fix here is to never spray chemicals inside outlets, and instead use baits or natural repellents outside the outlet. Another common issue is ignoring moisture problems, like leaks or condensation near outlets, which just invites ants back repeatedly. Fixing leaks and keeping the area dry is key. A third mistake is attempting DIY outlet cleaning without switching off the power, risking serious electric shock, so always cut power before touching anything electrical or call a pro if unsure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners quickly find trusted local contractors who specialize in safe pest control and home repairs. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with clients looking for reliable help with projects like dealing with ants in outlets or bigger home issues.